arriving at the property now, and this one's an auction one, so I have to do my numbers very wisely because the fee can be a killer. But this is it at first glance. It's got a very nice plot. It does have a driveway and a drop curb, but you can see all of this needs cutting down so you can actually see the driveway. And then walking up to the property, all the way up there you can see it's just cosmetics, doesn't look great. That will need doing, possibly new guttering and fascias because I don't see a downpipe, which isn't great. Probably need some repointing around the bricks. Slightly under the window you can see it looks like the window might not be put on properly. Always a zigzag lines just down there. If I can get closer actually, you can spot there's a couple of zigzag spots here pointing, which either needs repointing or the window needs replacing or even fixing. We'll just have to see from the inside how bad it is. And then from the side, you can see some windows actually do need replacement. We can probably patch some of these up actually, so it's not too bad. But generally, really nice from the outside.
There's one person this will be perfect for.
That's, you know what, I looked at the map and I thought, wait, my house is there, this one's here. This is brilliant. Like, we're up the road from each other.
Literally.
So, literally, it's all old. I mean, everything's going anyway, so it's fine. Because the thing is, the auction fee's the killer. It's about £7 grand.
It's £7 grand.
I know some of it goes to you, some of it goes to them. But
yeah, but in all fairness, I get this a lot, but it's like the auction fees are ridiculous.
Then stamp duty.
I mean, but if you were to buy the property on the open market,
yeah,
you wouldn't be paying the auction prices. So when somebody signs an auction agreement, a lot of the times they have to get an incentive to the buyer for them to say, okay, you know, I'll pay the fees. But you're getting it below market value. So even if I calculate it with the auction fees, you're still getting it below market value. So
well, it depends what it goes up to.
It depends on the way it goes
you know.
up.
I mean, generally it's just the inside, isn't it? The issue was the kitchen I was looking at, 'cause it's quite small.
Kitchen, I'd knock it through. If it was me personally.
Was there a toilet down here or something? This thing, okay.
There's still a toilet in there.
Yeah, this is...
So I'd knock that through.
Yeah, this makes sense then. And then that's reasonable at least.
And then you've got a kitchen diner.
Yeah.
We have a dining area. And then you've got the bathroom.
Yeah, that can sort of stay there.
You'd keep that where it is, unless you wanted to stick a shower in there and then open this up so it's bigger. So if you look on that side,
yeah,
that probably knock it this way.
But this,
as long as you supported it should be absolutely fine. You can get a WC in there if you want.
Yeah.
Depending on how you did it, you could get a WC in there, right?
Definitely. It probably would make more sense just stick it in here, really. Just so you don't have to do too much moving around and all the pipe work and all that stuff. It's good space though. These houses fly as well.
You are?
They fly, these houses, whatever condition they're in.
Yeah.
It's like it's everyone's budget. You know, like if anyone wants to buy a house, you can all afford this.
Yeah.
That's why everyone goes for these ones. That's the thing.
No, 100%.
And I totally get it. It's nice.
Shall I get that back door open for you?
Oh, it's all right. There's not much to see, is there?
You still doing the whole YouTube thing?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Trying my best.
How's it going?
It's all right. I mean, it's more for like fun rather than any income behind it. Okay. It's a bit of a big crap there, to be fair. Don't think that's such a big thing. It's good size, this one. I think I'm going to patch that up, to be fair, if I was...
The window?
Yeah, I mean, there's 3 there in a row. What's the point?
You've got them to the windows, right?
Hey, it's like, what's the point? Yeah, until you've got to change them and you've got to pay a fortune to replace them, you know? I mean, this one can stay. I think there's a few that can stay. There's a tank here as well.
I'd build a bathroom up there.
I was thinking that.
Like a partition here.
Yeah.
And then a door here.
Yeah.
And then you go a door here, and then that shower with...
That makes a lot of sense.
I'm going to charge for that idea.
Yeah. Give me a bit of commission. Just sell it for a higher price, then we'll be all right.
Let me get you signed. It's a good sized property.
No, it is.
Really good sized property. I mean, you can do it. There's quite a bit. This room is how to keep the way it is. With the
Yeah, you wouldn't touch that one. This one, it's a bit small.
Yeah, that bedroom becomes the exact same as. They're not tiny. I mean, technically.
But the issue is you're having two small bedrooms.
Two single rooms.
Whereas you could say that's the second bedroom as it is. Once you remove that tank,
yeah.
then you say this is the box room.
Okay.
But when you've got two box rooms,
yeah,
it just gets a bit.
You could fit a single bed in there. You could fit a wardrobe. It's not that.
But I feel like everyone still wants that two bedroom, and then the third one can just be that box. I think this happened a few times now where I'm really early to the property in general before they list it, etc.
Yeah.
And then my viewing's only a few days after, let's say.
Yeah.
And then out of nowhere, they moved the auction date from a month down the line to like the week later.
Yeah.
So you don't really have much time to do things. Maybe they're doing well. I guess you had good viewings on Saturday.
To be totally honest with you, with this property, it was one of them. It can't get tied up before the auction. It has to go through the cycle because that was the agreement.
That's fine, yeah.
But it's with the kind of the margin.
Yeah.
And what they sell for versus what you buy at. There's a decent margin, so you're bound to get a lot of interest.
So there it is, viewing complete. This property is about 2 minutes away from the one I'm doing currently. So if you haven't seen that series, go check it out. That's a massive one. So this is almost half the size of that. So obviously I have to think about the resale value being a lot lower. This one needs a full refurb. It's an auction property. Initially, I was offered it before it was on the auction site, but it was still going to go to auction. So I thought, okay, maybe if I get in early, I'll be able to just put an offer in and get it. The issue was the seller just wanted it to go to auction. There's only so much that I can do to get it before. The house needs a full refurbishment done to it. I'm estimating anywhere between 30 to 35,000. Just play it safe, why not? And then you've obviously got auction fees, which probably would equate to about £7,000. It needs a few windows, complete inside, move the toilet into the bathroom to open up the kitchen area. And yeah, I mean, I'm looking at the bidding now. I mean, they've moved it a week before it was meant to be. So again, no point me throwing an offer in now. The legal pack is fine, no questions. The house is pretty good. There's a couple of cracks which I'm a little wary about, which we would have seen in the video. But generally, I don't see them being any major cracks to cause any real issue. So I think we're good on that front. Besides that, we'll see how the auction goes. And again, you will see if I do purchase it.